Hello, my beautiful souls. I hope you're staying home and staying healthy. Today, we will discuss how great oranges are. We all know that they are pretty great. Before jumping into the video, subscribe to our channel as we will be coming with many such creative videos just for you. So, this fruit may give your ticker a big boost. Potassium and electrolyte mineral in oranges keeps your heart beating. There are many health benefits of eating oranges. They are full of vitamins. They fight viral infection, prevent night blindness, great for kidneys, and good for your skin. So just like oranges, its peel have numerous health benefits which you would generally throw away, but you know that we don't let anything go to waste on our channel. So on this note, let's see our first DIY, which is orange peel oil, which I tell you is great for your skin. You can make this oil with two solvents, either alcohol or oil. You can use whichever you find okay. So for alcohol, boil the water in water bath and place the alcohol bottle in it for some time. Now place finely cut peels in the alcohol bottle and let the oil from the peels get released into the alcohol. After it gets cool, you can strain the liquid and place it for some time without lid so that the alcohol vaporizes, leaving our orange peel oil behind. Now this oil can do magic for your skin. So now with oil. Heat the oil on a medium flame and add finely cut peeling in it. Stir the mixture until the oil gets released into the oil. Now turn off the gas and let this mixture cool. After it gets cool, strain the liquid through thin cloth. Now put this oil in a beautiful bottle for further use. Now allow me to tell you how you can make DIY orange peel powder and the type of face mask you can make with it. For DIY peel powder, just sun dry the orange peels you collected and grind it in a mixture. Let's start with the face mask for oily skin. Take 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder you just made and 1 tablespoon of fuller's earth. Add some rose water to make a thick paste. Now apply it on your skin and rinse off after 15 to 20 minutes. Now for dry skin, take 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder, some yogurt and 1 tablespoon of gram flour and honey. Apply it on your face and rinse off after 15 minutes. You buy those expensive creams which have collagen. Orange peel powder contains vitamin C which helps to form collagen and elastin. Great, right? It unclogs pores and reduces blackheads, removes stubborn tan and improves your skin texture. Great. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family.